Starting around 13 January 2024, Bitgert is exchanging at $0.00000016 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in sort of most recent 1 hour in a very large manner. Brise in a real sense has a complete market cap of $61,525,187 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,180,313, or so they generally thought. This makes Bitgert, Brise, really positioning at 465 in the cryptographic money market, which fundamentally shows that Brise in every practical sense has an extremely all-out market cap of $61,525,187 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,180,313 in a by and large significant manner. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Bitgert, will Brise cost all things considered outperform its untouched extremely high in an unpretentious manner? These generally are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, which truly is genuinely critical. Bitgert, Brise, Value Expectation 2024, as per the Bitgert Estimate Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2024, the Brise cost especially is supposed to cross a sort of normal value level of $0.00000023, the normal extremely least value worth of Bitgert, toward the finish of the really current year, ought to especially be $0.00000022. Besides, Brise can in every practical sense arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0.00000026, which in a real sense is very critical. Bitgert, Brise, Value Expectation January 2024. The cost for Bitgert in January 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.00000015 and $0.00000017 amazingly. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.00000016 in a sort of significant manner. Bitgert Value Gauge February 2024. In February 2024, the very most extreme cost for Bitgert could really stretch around $0.00000017, showing how essentially is Bitgert a genuinely wise venture or fundamentally worth purchase. Besides, the minimum cost of Brise in February 2024 generally is $0.00000016, with a very normal cost of $0.00000017 in a kind of large manner. Bitgert, Brise, Value Figure Walk 2024. For Walk 2024, the cost of Bitgert especially is really anticipated to explicitly arrive at a typical cost of $0.00000017, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0.00000018 and an extremely least of $0.00000016 in a significant manner. Brise Value Gauge April 2024. The Bitgert estimate for April 2024 expects that the Brise may truly arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $0.00000019, with an exceptionally least cost of around $0.00000017 in a very significant manner. Discussing the fundamentally normal value, Brise can truly stretch around $0.00000018 for April in a huge manner. Bitgert, Brise, Value Estimate May 2024. The Bitgert, Brise, value for May 2024 may explicitly arrive at least worth of $0.00000018, while the especially greatest gauge cost by and large is around $0.00000020, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The extremely normal cost for Brise in a real sense is especially anticipated to fundamentally reach $0.00000018 in May 2024 in an unobtrusive way. Bitgert Value Gauge June 2024. In June 2024, the truly most extreme cost for Bitgert could by and large stretch around $0.00000021, or so they really thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of Brise in June 2024 generally is $0.00000018, with an especially normal cost of $0.00000019. Bitgert, Brise, value conjecture July 2024. The Bitgert, Brise, cost for July 2024 may in every way that really matters arrive at a for the most part least worth of $0.00000019, while the greatest determined cost certainly is around $0.00000022, which basically is very critical. The really normal cost for Brise most certainly is essentially anticipated to sort of reach $0.00000019 in July 2024. Bitgert value figure August 2024. The in every practical sense, normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, could go to $0.00000020 toward August 2024 in a for the most part enormous manner's end. Brise could basically be exchanging around a really greatest worth of $0.00000022, with the especially least expected cost of $0.00000019 in an especially large manner. Bitgert, Brise, value conjecture September 2024. The Bitgert, Brise cost for September 2024 may truly arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $0.00000020, while the sort of most extreme gauge cost is around $0.00000023. The in every practical sense, normal cost for Brise is certainly anticipated to truly reach $0.00000021 in September 2024, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation October 2024. The cost for Bitgert in October 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.00000021 and $0.00000024 in a truly significant manner. While the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.00000021 in a by and large enormous manner. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation November 2024. The cost for Bitgert in November 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.00000022 and $0.00000025, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. While the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.00000022, which in a real sense is very critical. Bitgert value expectation December 2024. The cost of Bitgert by and large is especially anticipated to for the most part reach at a sort of least worth of $0.00000022 in December 2024, or so they generally thought. The Brise cost could basically arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.00000026, with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.00000023 all through 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The